Hello and welcome to the RPA testing training. In this video, we'll discuss about the Test Explorer panel in Studio. The Test Explorer panel shows information relevant to test automation. We can use the Test Explorer panels to group tests together, perform debugging, or analyze activity coverage. To make use of the Test Explorer features, make sure you're using Studio version 2021.10.1 or later, and that you've added testing activities version 1.4.3 or later to the project dependencies. Let's begin. Let's explore all the options available in the Test Explorer panel. The first option is Refresh. This option refreshes the information shown in the test results panel. We can also use this action to populate Test Explorer with newly added test cases. The second option, Clear Executions Results. It helps clear all execution results stored in the Test Explorer panel. The third option is Run All in View. It runs all the tests that are currently in view with the filters applied. We can use the Run All or Repeat the Last Test Run option from the drop-down menu. We can also use the Run Selected option to run the selected test cases. Moving ahead, the next option is Past Test Cases. We can use this option to filter out only the past test cases. This option also displays the number of past test cases available. The next option is the Failed Test Cases. It filters out only the test cases that have failed. Then we have the Not Executed Test Case, which filters out the test cases that were not executed. The next option is the Activity Coverage Setting. This one lets us choose whether we want to display the covered activities or uncovered activities, or both in the Designer panel. Finally, we have the option to filter by workflows or test cases. We can also filter the specific files by using the search bar in the Test Explorer panel. All right. Now that we have explored the filter options of the Test Explorer panel, let's move on to the bottom, starting with the Test Results panel. This panel shows us the summary of past and failed test cases. Let's select one of the parent workflow files. The Test Results panel shows us the total number of test cases and the number of test cases that have passed and failed. But if we select an individual test case, the Test Results panel shows us the detailed information about the selected test case, such as past failed assertions, assertion output messages, exceptions, and so on. Here, we can see that the assertions are passed. Now, let's look at the Activity Coverage panel. We can use the Workflow Activity Coverage panel to check whether our test cases have been covered or not, and also look for redundancies. We can also analyze the workflow's activity coverage, debug newly created test case, and view covered and uncovered activities. That was all for today. For a quick recap, the Test Explorer panel is used to view all the relevant information related to our test automations. We can use the Test Explorer toolbar to filter test results based on the result state. Additionally, we can use multiple options to run the test cases again. Thank you for watching, and happy automation!